The House burning the midnight oil on the auto insurance reform issue.
Yeah, and those issues that affects us getting around Metro Detroit and the entire state has moved into the fast lane. The bill would provide guaranteed rate rollback, something critics say the Senate bill approved yesterday but does not include. The House bill would overhaul the no-fault system by offering different levels of personal injury protection.
Republican supporters of the bill say savings could range from $120 to $1,200 per year. Now, lawmakers have been trying to hash it out at the state capitol in Lansing before taking a vote. 7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper is live on the scene with the very latest on where things stand at this hour.
We are standing by for that vote. This is that 82-page long bill. You can see people behind me outside the House floor. I can tell you that tempers here in Lansing are reaching a boiling point over the hot button auto insurance issue. Tonight, the House amended a bill with the intention to solve the problem, but Democrats say it falls woefully short of that goal.
I think we have the votes right now. In fact, I know we have the votes right now for the bill that we're talking about to get passed, yes. Whether or not we get votes from the other side of the aisle, it's up to them.
In a political maneuver, House Republicans amended existing House Bill 4397. Republicans say the 82-page piece of legislation guarantees rate reductions, lower medical costs, and choices for Michigan drivers. They say it differs from a new bill passed by the Senate just yesterday. With the concessions the House Republicans make to insurance companies, Democrats demand guaranteed rate cuts up to 50% and prohibit insurance companies from using non-driving factors like zip codes, a factor they say contributes to sky-high rates in cities like Detroit.
Michigan drivers are paying, high rates. We know the greatest impact is primarily in the city of Detroit, but as a whole, we need to address affordability for everybody.
Again, we are standing by for that vote. We're told there will be a conversation when this bill is brought up to the floor. At the state capitol, Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.